Right, welcome again. In this video, we're going to talk about how we can withdraw money from Binance to UK account. Currently, the direct Binance to bank account withdrawals are suspended. So you have to use another way called P2P. So before that, what you have to do is make sure you have to set up P2P uh, two-factor authentication on your account and also add your bank details as well. So once you log into Binance on your computer, so basically what you have to do, go here on this third box, you can see P2P order options. Click on this one. Once you go to there, you can see there are a couple of options. You can see P2P, Express, and Block. So go to Express. If you don't see anything, make sure what you need to do. Go to Express as well. So what you can do in Express, you can sell or you can buy and sell here as well. So if you wanted to go to sell, so select all. I have about 2,000 USDT. So let's send about 1,000 USDT first. I'm going to sell it. So I'm going to say 1,000. So let's say it's 868 pounds. Okay. And select payment method. So bank transfer is best method, you can see. And I'm going to click place order. So I have successfully placed an order. Online, please send me 16-digit card number. I send Visa directly. Oh, I'm not sure whether this guy. He said to send me the card number. So I asked, can you transfer to the bank account? So this guy newly big, so he's a buyer's name. So he's supposed to receive 868. Only Visa. Okay, let's see how this is turning out. So this person saying, look, please give me some time. I'm not sure because its time remaining is only 6 minutes. So if you don't do the transfer within 6 minutes, it will be cancelled. Let's say. I'm not sure whether he need this card number because I wasn't very happy about that. But you can't do anything with it, just long digit number. You need the other bits as well. So you can see that the payment sends. What I have to do is I have completed the payment, but it's asking me the authentication email. So I have received the money. So basically, all okay. So I'm gonna say thanks. Yeah, so this is how you do it. So it's quite easy. If the person's online, they send the money, you release the money again. So yeah, let's just go back again. So I'm gonna reorder. So I'm gonna get some more money. Reorder. Let's see how much we can order.
This is how you withdraw the money. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and share.